So I'm gonna. Oh, do you see the leaves falling on me? This is so dramatic. So now I'm gonna go get a rickshaw because I booked an Ola rickshaw and the guy kept going in another direction. I'm very peaceful today after my morning meditation. Okay, I'm gonna walk now. I put on some makeup because I was like, why don't not? Someone last time, this lady had told me that you should celebrate being a woman. So I'm celebrating. That's what's happening. Summer is in full force, I guess. Call. I think I'll just walk because it's not that far away. The weather isn't bad. It's good. And I was on a call, so I got distracted. Now I take her to my favorite stationery, guys. I'm a stationery. I thought I saw something dead. That's why that extreme reaction. So I'll take her to my favorite stationery. People always ask me where I get my books and my birds. These birds just flew right in front of me. And pens from. So I'm gonna let you all in on this secret. I've told people, I tell everyone, I'm not a gatekeeper. I'm an oversharer. The chances of you asking me anything and me telling you the truth are extremely high. Now we gotta start recording after I start talking. What I meant was I was on a call. So we're going to the stationery now and then we're going to get a cupcake. I'm trying this new thing where I don't, before what I would do was, I would check places that before I go there, see the menu, try to figure out what I want before hand. But I think that's so much just waste of energy. Why do I want to be surprised, pleasantly surprised. Where's my sense of adventure? Now we cross this road. Oh my god, I think I don't know where the stationery is. I've gone to the one in Campy Camp. But I think it's here also. The question is, how does one cross? जब रिक्शा चाहिए होता है तब तो कोई आता नहीं है. There's no signal here, so I need to figure this out. We crossed. Now we are going to go to the. Let me tell you guys one thing about walking. I was convinced it's not that far. करके मैं काफ़ी दूर आ गई हूँ. And I just have no sense of direction. Where's the stationery shop? It's shut. I know the one in camp is still there. It's their flagship store. It's bigger. I just said flagship without really knowing what it means. How is this even possible? I just saw it a couple of months back. Boss, kahan hai? Figure out where it is. I was confused with the geography bit. People don't understand that I'm a little confidently zoned out sometimes. Not zoned out, but I know where something is, and if I know it, even if it's not there, I feel like I know that's good enough. There it is. Yay, Mr. DIY. Always low prices, great. When I was a child also, I would just correct papers. I would take my father's hand also and give him a star. I'd give my mother a star too, but she didn't want one. So that maybe she didn't. I mean, every daughter loves their father more. It's just science. Chalo, pahunch gaye. The fluffy pens I get. But they've got something on it, yeah, these ones. How cute are these? I get the light pink ones normally. They have such cute stuff. The gist of it is everything here. The store is extremely quiet. That's why I'm whispering. I love the stationery section, but there's a lot of stuff. I just walked into this trolley, I don't know how. So, look at this. So cute, guys. Busy bee, haha. Cracks me up. Do I need a lavender pen? Do I need it right now? I don't need it. I have enough pens. So I'm gonna leave. So proud of myself for not just buying things because they're cute. Takes a lot of self-control. I have to tell you guys that. I just don't want to get things that I won't, I'll take for granted. Having the same pen in 3 colors just because it has a pom-pom on top is unnecessary. The first 3 times I bought it, I should have realized that the 3rd time. The 4th time I didn't. I ran the dust. So now I'm going to go get a cupcake. I've walked not that much. I mean, it's not even a kilometer, honestly. But I'm proud of myself. So now we're going to go and get some dessert. That's always a good idea. Do we get dessert or mithai? This will be done by then. This sofa and mattress guy is killing it with his music. You need to set the vibe. Especially when you're doing something every day, why not? Guys, I'm so decently dressed right now. But dudes will just stare at your tatas. Oh, too, lucky. If I see a toad or some shrimp, I forgot what shrimp, then that random astrologer on Instagram said that reading is for me. I mean, whoever watches the video. Bhai sahab, khatam hi nahi ho raha. When will I reach my destination? I should have just taken that rickshaw. Someone just asked me piche also. Why am I convinced in my mind that I'm just a minute away? Why? Can someone explain that to me? And now, you know, when you're too close to your place, the destination, you can't take a rickshaw even then. I mean, you could if he agrees to it. Bro, where is it, man? It's Women's Day. This would be easier. So now I'm gonna see her when I reach the cupcake place. I think I'm oh my god, don't tell me. You know what I've done? I've walked around and come back to where I was. Because I was in the parallel street. I can't believe myself right now. Honest to God, I can't. I literally just walked for 15 minutes to come back where I started from, just the parallel road. So I just take a rickshaw at this point. I'm all sweaty. I think I'm gonna take a rickshaw. I can't do this. I can't be just walking in circles, bro. How did I even do this? Rickshaw! Ignores me. I need to cross, bro. Yeah, I'm moving out of the way. भैया सालों की VR जाएंगे आप? सालों की VR? आपके पास जीपे है? This is what walking out feels like. You just walk and you get nowhere. Isn't that something? Think about it. How did I do this? Where was I supposed to turn? That just shows you one wrong turn in life. I still don't even know how this happened. The good thing is that I'm going to eat something with chocolate. Chocolates are not that bad. I don't think I get mad anymore, honestly. Touch wood. I've become very calm. I love this dog, by the way. It's really airy and nice for this weather. have to walk in the opposite direction. Why does everything seem like... I literally took a rickshaw for 500, not 500 meters, a kilometer. But why was I in the wrong direction? I mean, I don't know what I did. I was just not in the mood to walk anymore. यही होता है. Chalo, now let me find a cute place to eat. So I found this cute cake shop. I'm gonna have that, and then I'm gonna want that, or if I don't want anything, because that looks big. Those are for the bakeries here. That is pastel doors and windows, very cute. Oh nice, there's a place called Between Your Buns. Let me see this also. I'm gonna have a seat and try this now. How do I do this? The leg was stuck. The chair's leg was stuck in the table's leg. So this is what we are eating. Should I sit here? Like this. So you can see the cute shop also. Yeah, this is better. Let's try this now. This is better. Oh my god, the chocolate is oozing out. That's the best part. Let's do a taste test. Ideally, I would just like to keep this whole thing in my hand. I'll show you how. This is so good. Oh my god, this is so good. It's so fluffy. My god, I'm in love. Done with our cupcake journey. Now I'm going to the tailor. That's another. No, I have to go to the bakery first. This is what I look like. Did I get cute pictures? I don't know. As of now. What did I just step on? Now I have to go to the bakery. My list of things hasn't changed. I was supposed to be at the tailor's by 5, but it's 5:35 right now. I told him आगे पीछे हो जाएगा. आगे तो नहीं हुआ. पीछे तो नहीं हुआ आगे. I need to buy some pav and some coffee, not for me, for my hair. The coffee is really good. Coffee rinse or coffee tea rinse is insanely good. You know what I'm really looking forward to? A good night's sleep tonight. A friend asked me if I'm stepping out and I was just like, I cannot. I'm up since 3 a.m. Not happening. I took a nap for an hour in the afternoon. It was much needed. Chalo, I'm here now. Would you guys believe it? I was again walking in the wrong direction. Can't make this stuff up. And the confidence with which I'm walking in the wrong direction is insane. But thankfully I just walked 50 meters in the wrong direction this time.